If you're still saying very good in 2026, your English sounds basic. Stop it right now. Let me fix your vocabulary in the next 4 minutes. I'm Yusuf, and today I'm giving you 10 powerful advanced alternatives to very good. These are the exact words native speakers use to sound professional at work and confident in exams. Number 1, excellent. Don't say the food was very good, say the food was excellent. Number 2, outstanding. If a colleague does a great job, tell them you did an outstanding job on this report. Number 3, exceptional. Use this for people. She is an exceptional student. Number 4, superb. This is great for hotels or service. The service at this hotel is superb. Wait, before I give you the next one, which word is your favorite so far? Tell me in the comments section. Number 5, impressive. When someone speaks English well, don't just say good. Say your English is impressive. Number 6, remarkable. Use this for achievements. He made a remarkable recovery. Number 7, first rate. This is a strong adjective. This is a first-rate university. Number 8, top notch. Use this with friends. That burger was top notch. Number 9, exemplary. Use this in job interviews or reviews. His leadership skills are exemplary. Number 10, commendable. Use this when someone tries hard. Your effort to learn English is commendable. Well, there you have it. You learned 10 advanced words that could be used instead of very good. Write in the comments which words you enjoyed learning the most. Now help us to grow the channel by subscribing and press the notification bell. If you want to further expand your vocabulary, click on our next video on the 13 most important idiomatic expressions in English. Take care.